Well, hello again, Internet. Corinne here, and you're watching Corinne versus the Elements. Yes, today I'll be camping in my backyard. We're gonna be doing a lot of camping this summer, and we're going to Bonnaroo next month. So I thought to myself, what better time than now to test out all the internet famous camping hacks. So let's get started, shall we?
The first thing you need to do when you get to your campsite is set up your shelter. You may be enticed to crack open a cold one first, but shelter is the priority. Don't be like this guy. And yeah, comfortable bedding is very important. You gotta have some layers. And if you're going to a music festival like Bonnaroo, you're gonna want some festive decor. There's nothing like not being able to find your tent after a 5-hour fish set. And this hack seems like a solid one for protecting yourself and others from tripping over your guy lines, aka the ropes that hold your tent to the ground. I actually know someone that broke a rib that way, chasing after a water truck at Burning Man. Not fun. And thank God for this turn a bucket into an air conditioner hack. Very helpful when you've been up till dawn and need some sleep in the dead heat of the day. All you need is a bucket with a lid, a battery operated fan, foam insulation, PVC pipe, and a jug of frozen water. This also involves drilling the bucket and cutting the PVC pipe, but overall it's pretty easy to assemble. And it looks like it might actually work. Speaking of buckets, when you gotta go, you gotta go. And this hack will have you peeing and pooping in the comfort of your own home away from home. All you need is a bucket, a pool noodle, trash bag, and some toilet paper, and you'll be shitting pretty. Oh, and you'll definitely want a lid for the bucket. Very important. Oh, and make sure you label it really well. Don't want to traumatize your campmates.
I realize that looks confusing. Do not open. It's poop. Just in case we have any strong winds.
This hack will keep your toilet paper nice and fresh. Just take a plastic coffee container, cut a 1/4-inch slit, and boom, your TP is protected.
All right, I think we got everything set up. Let's test these hacks out. Morgan Adams had herself her own little Coachella. Well, I'm having myself my own little Bonnaroo. This is how we do it on the East Coast. Cue the rain. Yep, that's a raindrop. Yep, definitely raining. Wouldn't be camping without some rain. And now we know why this thing is super useful. Thunder is a little bit scary though. And guess what? We have a special guest with us.
When did I become a special f***ing guest?
Since you haven't been on the show for like a month.
I know, you took over the channel.
Yeah, people think I was holding you hostage.
I'm right here, I'm back.
That's the real reason. Rob's been sick for like a month.
This looks very comfortable in here. Look at this. Holy cow, did you do all this yourself?
I did.
Wow. Oh, this is nice.
Look, I built all these hacks and stuff.
Oh, that's the air conditioner.
Yeah, isn't that neat? We've always wanted to try this.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if it works, actually.
It's getting hot in here.
So I'll take off all your clothes.
Woo.
Got our frozen jug of water here.
What's that for?
Put it inside here.
Oh.
And then you have your little fan.
Ooh.
It doesn't really stay in there that well.
Wow, look at that.
See my fine craftswomanship?
Nice.
Oh, and you just put this in here like this.
And that's gonna keep us cool all night.
That's what they say. It's hard to get these lids on. Okay.
You look like a country western star.
This is the Bonnaroo vibe, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's not like that Coachella bullshit.
No.
Way more chill.
Put the fan in there like that.
Uh-huh. Then you just turn it on.
What?
It works.
Wow.
I mean, come on. Hold on.
That's pretty impressive. Wow.
Yeah. Nighttime, this is gonna be perfect.
And it's like a little ambiance.
I mean, I wouldn't say it's cold air.
No, it's cool air, which is what it's better than no air.
Pretty nice in here. I've been setting this up all day. You do the rest of the hacks.
Oh yeah? How the f do I do that?
They're in the cooler.
Grilled cheese sandwiches. Boom. Are they grilled already?
So you're supposed to just be able to iron those and it turns into grilled cheese. That's what the hack says.
So that's the simple bread, cheese, Firefest shit. And so that's just supposed to magically turn into a piece
delicious
of grilled cheese sandwich.
Grilled cheese sandwich. No butter.
No, you don't. Who needs butter on their grilled cheese?
So while our iron's heating up, why don't you test out another hack?
This is classic right here. The 2 solo cup paper towel cell phone amplification sound system. You put your phone right in there. We can't listen to Fish or Grizz or Lumineers or anybody else that's going to be at Bonnaroo, so we got to listen to the free jams. Regular sound. That's like an instant surround sound system. Listen up. Listen closely. That ain't shit without these solo cups. Uh-oh. This is how Corinne dances at music festivals. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen that move before.
All right, here we go.
Oh yeah. Huge difference. This is like the oldest hack in the book.
You're the oldest hack in the book. All right.
Oh, what happened? Hold on.
It's not very stable.
All right, now where are we at with this grilled cheese iron? I can't even imagine that this works. How does it even get brown?
Oop, that's starting to smell a little done. So this is what I'm wondering. Should you be inhaling the fumes from an iron heating up aluminum foil?
I don't know. You keep your tent open,
Yeah, this is
and well ventilated.
A well-ventilated area.
This is taking forever, and at this point, I think I would just rather eat just the cheese and the bread by itself, uncrispy.
That would make more sense.
Yeah.
I mean, if you were really hungry,
Yeah.
that would be ideal. But that's not the f***ing hack, now is it? This is the hack. This is our job. I think this motion really helps it.
I don't know if you're smelling this. You're probably not, because we're not there yet with technology, but this is starting to get a little bready and cheesy smelling.
Do you think it's gonna look like a grilled cheese?
I don't think so at all. I think it's just gonna be like a warm...
Because there's no butter in it.
Let's check, because it's been a solid 15 minutes. All right, you ready? This is the big reveal. This is gonna be good. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, no, it's melty.
There is some meltedness. It is kind of like crispy though.
Well, I'll tell you what, it is a warm sandwich, which is nice. You always like something warm. Look at this.
Hold on. Yeah.
Got a little cheese pull action.
Sure.
Melty. And it has a nice, like a firm little crust to it. Not, no, it tastes terrible. This is the worst grilled cheese sandwich I've ever had.
What if it was like 3 o'clock in the morning?
Oh my God, it would be the best grilled cheese sandwich I've ever had.
Exactly. I'm gonna make this for you at 3 o'clock in the morning at Bonnaroo and then get a different opinion.
I take it back. It's all right. It could definitely use some like salt, some butter.
Well, you can't leave it out here for the bears.
I don't think there's any bears at Bonnaroo.
Oh, there's bears at Bonnaroo.
All right, so the rest of these hacks deal with darkness, which it is not yet. So we'll check back in when it's darker. I'm gonna take a little nap. On some tunes.
It's a good idea.
Yeah, no, camping in your backyard when you can be camping inside of your house. All right, we're gonna take a nap. We'll come back when it's darker and we could do the dark hacks. Hey, you awake? Oh, I don't know if my stomach is really agreeing with that grilled cheese sandwich. I gotta get up. I gotta use the bathroom. Where's the bathroom? Is that back there? Oh, there it is. Look at that. Oh, that's the toilet? I don't know if Lowe's is gonna like us in a bucket. But this is interesting. This little seat cushion here? That's nice. Are any of the neighbors watching? All right, I hope not. Time to use the poop bucket here in my backyard. So yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Comfortable too with this little rim job here. Oh god. Oh, that cheese. Woo! One more of these. This is quite a nice dispenser too. You know, the one thing that you don't want to do is you don't want to mix up that bucket with your air conditioning bucket. That's...
You know what you could do to make it smell better?
What's that?
I was saying you should put some coffee grinds in there because it makes it smell better.
Oh yeah. Oh, I don't know if anything is going to make that smell better.
Anything would help.
Okay.
It's coming right into the tent.
All right. Ugh.
The witching hour is upon us. It's about to get spooky.
All right, we are officially sitting in the dark in our tent. We got a lot of light hacks. I don't know if they're gonna work at all, actually. One of them I know is gonna work, but...
One will definitely work. It's a famous hack. We've all seen it.
I can't see you.
Can you see this?
Yeah,
Does it look like it's glowing?
it does.
Really?
Yeah, what is it?
Yeah, a little bit. It's the glow-in-the-dark jar hack.
And so what's the hack?
You spray paint it with glow-in-the-dark spray paint, and it glows.
Yeah, no, I can see that.
But you know what? You're not allowed to bring glass to Bonnaroo, so you can't bring these.
Wah, wah.
You know what I think makes this hack much better?
What's that?
One of these.
Oh, there you are. Yeah, what, an actual light?
Yeah, an actual light. Oh.
This is the real camping hack right here. I mean, it's a light, but this is a 1 gallon jug of water that you attach a headlamp to. Whoa, hello. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I did it the wrong way. Hold on. Whoa.
Very effective. This is probably my favorite hack of all time.
You see this one everywhere. I've seen this one on the internet for, I don't know, the last 20, 30 years. But this creates a nice little ambiance, a nice little glow, a nice little illuminaire, as they would say. Oh, wow, look at that. And you get a little shadow puppet action.
This is the coolest hack I think I've ever seen.
No, this is the coolest hack I've ever seen, right here.
I would say this wins on simplicity and brilliance. Both of these are winners. The grilled cheese, I don't know about that. That's kind of stupid.
That's sitting in the bucket out back. And these speakers, literally the jam. So we got the breakfast hacks, coffee and eggs and things going for tomorrow.
Yeah.
So now we just gotta sit in this fucking tent all goddamn night.
Huh.
And it's starting to rain again.
Yep.
Sweet. This air mattress, not very comfortable.
Mine's a little thicker.
You got the thick one?
Yeah. Oh, that's nice with the sound of the rain. I can't stand the rain. Is Missy Elliott gonna be at this concert?
I don't think so.
Oh, when the rain hits my window.
What? All right, well, we'll see you tomorrow morning for breakfast. Some breakfast hacks. How about that?
7:20 in the morning. It's been raining all night long. Rob's sleeping still. I can't lay in this tent anymore. Let's get this day started, shall we?
This thing is essential. Don't forget your easy up. It leaked through a tiny bit, but just imagine how much more wet your tent would be and your whole situation around your tent if you didn't have this thing. Getting ready to make breakfast, so gotta plug our extension cord in. Are you ready for breakfast?
Yeah, this was definitely the most comfortable night's sleep I've ever had.
Oh, look at that. The great outdoors. Isn't it lovely?
Oh, my back. Oh, good.
Look at this. I got the salt and pepper. I got some ketchup.
Wow.
That's how everyone eats their eggs, right?
Isn't there somewhere at this festival I could just buy a f***ing sandwich? A little pop-up tent or some shit?
There are actually a lot of really good places to get pretty good food, but where's the fun in that?
So we're making coffee in there.
Well, no, we're gonna make our eggs in here. You never seen this before? This is fun. How many eggs do you want? 2, 3?
Ew, gross. And now you just got eggs in a bag.
Eggs in a bag.
And now you take the egg, you put it in the
pot.
In the hot water there.
Yeah.
It's not gonna melt the plastic bag?
I don't know.
Hold on, so what's the point? So it's supposed to just cook the eggs in the bag?
Yeah.
And then you're supposed to have eggs in a bag. Wow, what a hack. What a fucking breakfast this is gonna be, huh?
And then you use the water to make your coffee.
Ew. Egg water to make the coffee?
It's in a bag.
I hope it stays in the bag.
It's bag water. Wow, look at this. What? That's cool. I'm gonna cook it just a little bit longer. I think it's good. That's so cool.
Oh, wow. Oh, holy shit. Look at that. It's an omelet.
Whoa.
What?
Wow.
Wow is right.
That's pretty cool. Put pepper on it.
All right, so what is this, like a coffee tampon or something that we're using?
No, it isn't.
What is this?
Basically, it's a single serving of coffee. It makes it easier while you're camping.
You've wrapped it in a toilet paper? What did you do?
You wrap it in a coffee filter.
Okay.
And then you use floss to close it up. And now it's like a tea bag, you know what I mean?
I know all about those tea bags.
And then you put it in here, like this.
So it's like a tea bag, but for coffee.
Exactly.
They don't sell these in the store already? You can't?
I don't think so. I don't know.
Mmm, minty coffee egg water.
Listen, the eggs are in a bag. It's not gonna taste like eggs. Breakfast of champions.
Did you bring any sugar, any creamer?
I drink my coffee black, so I didn't really think about that. Sorry. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go in right here just because I want to see. Yeah, I mean, that looks pretty fucking good.
That looks pretty done. All right. I'd imagine it tastes like eggs in plastic bags.
It doesn't taste like plastic bags.
Mmm.
I think it tastes good. Like if you were camping and you had no other way to cook but...
And you were starving to death.
It's hot.
That's just delicious.
We did it.
Oh, yeah.
Honestly, this is one of the best camping experiences that we've had so far.
That's true. And then here's the other hack, is you can floss with this, you can get some of the egg out of your teeth afterwards. Oh yeah.
This is great because we're doing a lot of camping this summer.
That's true. Bonnaroo, obviously, on our list next up. If you haven't gotten your tickets yet, there's a link down below in the description. Pick them up.
Come say hi to us on the farm.
That would be awesome if they saw us out there and said, what's up?
Well, I think that just about does it for this video. As always, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Can we go back in the house now? Is this all over?
I thought we were gonna do this for the rest of the weekend.
Great. Eggs and coffee for the rest of the weekend.
I'm having a great time.
Having a blast.